Who is she? She is my teacher. Who is she? She is my teacher. What did you want? I want your bicycle. What did you want? I want your bicycle. What is that? That is my bag. What is that? That is my bag. What is that? It is a cat. What is that? It is a cat. What happened? I am sick. What happened? I am sick. What is that? That is a pencil. What is that? That is a pencil. When will they arrive? They will arrive by 6 p.m. When will they arrive? They will arrive by 6 p.m. Where are we? We are in Italy. Where are we? We are in Italy. What is going on? I am watching mobile. What is going on? I am watching mobile. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Why are you crying? I am lost. Why are you crying? I am lost. Who broke this? My son broke this. Who broke this? My son broke this. Who is she? She is my mom. Who is she? She is my mom. When can we meet? We can meet now. When can we meet? We can meet now. What is this? It is a pen. What is this? It is a pen. Why do you lie? I was scared. Why do you lie? I was scared. Whose is this? It's mine. Whose is this? It's mine. Whose friend is he? He is my friend. Whose friend is he? He is my friend. Where is my book? It's in the library. Where is my book? It's in the library. Which is our car? This is our car. Which is our car? This is our car. When are you busy? I am busy today. When are you busy? I am busy today. Whose guitar is this? This is my guitar. Whose guitar is this? This is my guitar. Where are you? I am at home. Where are you? I am at home. Which one do you want? I want the red one. Which one do you want? I want the red one. Who stole the apple? Snow White stole the apple. Who stole the apple? Snow White stole the apple. How about tomorrow? Good idea. How about tomorrow? Good idea. Which is your pen? This is my pen. Which is your pen? This is my pen. Who is he? He is an engineer. Who is he? He is an engineer. What did you buy? I bought a cake. What did you buy? I bought a cake. Which is better? This is better. Which is better? This is better. Whose is this? It's mine. Whose is this? It's mine. Who is he? He is my dad. Who is he? He is my dad. Who is he? He is a firefighter. Who is he? He is a firefighter. Which is mine? This is yours. Which is mine? This is yours. How many books are there? There are 4 books. How many books are there? There are 4 books. Where did you go? I went to school. Where did you go? I went to school. Where is my book? It's in the library. Where is my book? It's in the library. Where is your book? It is in the bag. Where is your book? It is in the bag. How was your day? It was good. How was your day? It was good. Who is that? He is an artist. Who is that? He is an artist. What is this? It is a book. What is this? It is a book. What is this? This is a computer. What is this? This is a computer. Who are they? They are musicians. Who are they? They are musicians. Who is he? He is a chef. Who is he? He is a chef. Who are they? They are students. Who are they? They are students. Why are you late? Because I missed my bus. Why are you late? Because I missed my bus.